Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we'll be showing you how to cut and sew a 3D face mask. We already have a video on making this pattern in 4 sizes. We'll leave a link of that in the comments below. So we're using the large pattern that we made before. This is a fusible non-woven interfacing that we're using as a filter inside. Now put the glue side facing down and cut out 2 pieces from the interfacing. Flipping our pattern over to get a pair. Now we have our 2 pieces of the interfacing. Now for making solid color masks, take your cotton cloth and double the fabric. Place the interfacing on top and iron it. And cut out the double fabric as well as 2 pieces of the side strips. Now we have our pieces ready. 2 face fabric pieces with the interfacing, 2 pieces for the lining and 2 side strips. To make a pattern mask, place the interfacing on the reverse side of the fabric, making sure the pattern faces upwards. Iron it and cut it out along with 2 pieces of lining and 2 side strips. Our pattern pieces are cut now. Now we will line them together and stitch along the curved line with a 1/4 inch or a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And we'll do the same for the lining pieces as well. The pieces are stitched now, as you can see. Turn the lining piece inside out and place it inside the pattern piece. And line them together. Stitch the upper and the bottom seams along the edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Do it similarly for the black mask as well. After stitching, turn the mask inside out and press along the sides carefully. Now iron it on the inside to flatten the sides. After ironing it, sew the sides on the top and the bottom along the edge. Now the sides are sewn and I have also attached a nose wire inside by sewing it. Now place the side strips and sew along a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After sewing, turn the strips and fold the sides as shown. Now stitch them along the edge. Now our masks are ready, as you can see. We'll be attaching a 3 mm elastic to the sides. For the large size, we are using a 24 cm length. For medium, 22 cm. For small, 20 cm. And for extra small, we have 18 cm. Using a safety pin, pull the elastic through and tie a double knot to secure it. Our masks are done now. You can see the different sizes that we have made. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.